This isolated wilderness in the rainy forests of Vietnam, survival begins with the bare essentials. The first challenge, transforming nature's raw materials into a foundation for life. Bamboo, strong, buoyant, and abundant, will be the cornerstone of his floating home. The first shore is too steep and rocky for construction. He relocates with his dog to a flatter, sandy bank, a stable workshop to begin the build. For lashings, he utilizes the bamboo itself, splitting the dense fibers into strong, pliable cordage. Building on water is a vital defense. As the rainy season nears, animals like python snakes seek dry refuges, and a land shelter would be their target. It will also make work easier during the entire build, as he will be moving heavy materials across the lake with little effort. Back at the build, a framework of timber begins to rise. His plan is to elevate the main structure to protect it from damp conditions. To create a solid deck, a remarkable technique unfolds. Precise cuts allow the hollow bamboo cylinder to be unrolled, creating a flat, durable floor. With the floating foundation set, he begins hand-carving the timber for the shelter. Instead of metal fasteners, he's using traditional joinery. Square holes called mortises that fit perfectly with matching wooden tenons. This method creates an incredibly strong, rigid frame that can be assembled without a single nail. He has no workshop, no power tools, and no replacements. Everything is being built with just a knife, a saw, and a little hammer. Keeping them in perfect condition isn't just maintenance, it's a matter of survival. After the main wooden roof structure is in place, a grid of bamboo lath is laid to provide essential support for the final layer to come, flattened bamboo shingles. The sheer volume of shingles presents a logistical challenge: how to move hundreds of pounds of material onto the raft efficiently. Ingenuity sparks. From the same bamboo resource, he engineers a lever crane. What would have taken hours of back-breaking work is reduced to manageable lifts. It's this kind of ingenuity that will be essential for every challenge he faces in the year to come. For the roof itself, overlapping shingles are key. Each layer directs water downwards, shedding rain away from the structure. Inside the shelter, Smaller logs create a raised wooden floor, providing a dry and elevated place to sleep. It's time to extend the main platform. This added space is crucial. It provides stability to the raft and a large area to expand his floating world. Here, he plans to build a kitchen, a small garden to grow his food, and a pond to keep the fish he will be catching. With the basic raft in place, survival depends on food. The lake provides, but so far, it offers only clams, not enough to thrive. He'll soon need to find a better spot along the shore, where the water runs deeper and holds bigger fish. His needs are simple: food from the lake and fresh water, which he travels to a nearby waterfall to collect. Three weeks have passed. After resting, and with some strength regained, he decides it's time to relocate the raft, seeking a place that can sustain him in the months ahead.